Every day in the newspapers, we read about the death of the youngsters due to the heart attacks. Have you ever thought why it is happening so? We always think that cholesterol is the main culprit for the heart attacks or the heart diseases. But, my dear friends, this is not always so. It's not always the case that with the increased cholesterol, heart attack happens. So, today we are going to discuss common reasons why the heart attacks are happening in the young people, why youngsters are dying at a very young age. Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Harpreet Kaur Khurana, a registered homeopath with the College of Homeopath, Ontario, with an experience of 30 years practicing homeopathy. So, today I'm going to discuss what is cholesterol, what are the main causes of the increased cholesterol, what are the precautions we can take to reduce this cholesterol level, and what are the natural home treatment we can take to reduce this level. Also, we'll talk about some homeopathic treatment which can be taken to reduce the cholesterol levels in our body. So, let's start. So, starting with the definition of cholesterol. Cholesterol is a component of a body, is a very important component which is made up of two things, that is fat and proteins. As we always think that it's made up of 100% fat, it's not so. Because some part is fat and the other part is proteins. It's a very important component of a body which helps in the metabolism of our body, which helps to secrete various hormones and which helps in the synthesis of vitamin D. So, my dear friends, it's not always that we are looking at the cholesterol to be the culprit for all the diseases in our body. It's a very important, essential compound which has to be in our body and we have to look after it. Whenever we go for our blood examination for the lipid profile, we always see three things over there. HDL, that is the high density lipoproteins, that is the good cholesterol, and it has to be over 60. And LDL, that is the low density lipoprotein, that is the bad fat. My dear friends, don't think that LDL is always the cause of the heart attacks. LDL is very important for the metabolism, for the synthesis of hormones, but its level should not be very, very high. It has to be up to 100. So the total cholesterol level should be around 200. It's if it's above 200, then we should be very cautious. We should start taking the precautions to reduce the cholesterol level. And then it's VLDL, that is very low density lipoproteins, that is the very bad fat which is getting deposited in our body. And then the triglycerides. Triglycerides is the total fat. With the high cholesterol levels, the fat deposits start depositing on the lining of the blood vessels, and which sometimes may break and may go into the flow of the blood and may cause obstruction somewhere in our heart, which is the main cause of the heart attacks or the stroke. Our body is very intelligent. It always gives us some signals that something wrong is happening inside our body. So, whenever you feel some kind of discomfort or the pain in the chest, pain in the legs, dizziness or slurness while speaking, or some kind of vertigo is over there, then please go and contact your physician, go for the medical help. It may be something dangerous which is happening inside your body. Don't overlook that and always be cautious and always run for the medical help in these type of cases. So now I'm going to discuss the major causes, the things which may cause the increased level of the bad fat or the increased triglycerides in your body. Number one and the most important is inactivity or the lack of exercise. We are always sitting on our chairs and doing the jobs when we don't get time to go out. So, my dear friends, always go out, take out some time for yourself, go out for a walk, go out with your pets, and or go in the gym and do exercise at least 4 times a week. At least 4 hours a week is essential to maintain the cholesterol level in our body. Number two is quit alcohol, quit coffee, as these are the two major things which can cause the increase of the bad fat in our body. Number three, quit smoking. Smoking is the main cause which can cause the fat to get deposit in our arteries, on the walls of the arteries, which is the major cause of the heart attacks or the stroke. So always stay away from smoking. Number five, and the most important, is reduce stress level. Stress is a major cause of deaths, is a major cause of all the heart problems and the other major diseases in our body. So try to do something. Try to maintain your relations with your loved ones. Try to talk to your loved ones. Take out some time to go out with your friends. Enjoy your life and reduce the stress level in your life. Because reducing the stress level may always increase, always decrease your fat level also. So, which is very important to maintain the healthy heart. So, my dear friends, try to follow all these things. It's a myth that the natural food items like the ghee or the eggs increases the cholesterol level. But it's not so. It's a misconception in the minds of some people that eating the yellow of an egg increases the cholesterol level. If you want to eat egg, take the whole egg because it has got other very important nutrients, minerals, proteins, which are very helpful for our body, which are very helpful for our brain, for the overall development of our body. A teaspoonful of desi ghee and or the pure ghee in the early in the morning is very important for our body, is very important for our joints. So don't skip the ghee and don't try to be away from the ghee all through the day or all through your life. So whenever you go out to a grocery shop next time, try to buy the natural food items, the fruits, the vegetables. Avoid taking the packed food items. The packed food items have got the number uh, of chemicals which are essential to be put into them to make their life longer. So try to avoid the packed food items, which is the major cause of the increased bad fat in our body. The frozen things, the frozen food items. Nowadays days we are seeing that every food item is available in the grocery shop in a packed way. The chapatis, the dal, the vegetables, whatever you ask for, you can get it in the packed way from the grocery shop. So try to stay away from them. Eat healthy food, eat fresh food, eat home cooked food, and don't eat the outside food so frequently because that has got the some major fats or the fried food items which can increase the bad fat in your body. So stay away from all these things. Take it, but not every day. Once in a while, whenever you go out with your friends, that's okay, but not every day. So every day, try to maintain a balanced food habits. Try to eat everything fresh. Try to eat milk. Try to take the all the vegetables, all the fruits, which are very good for your cholesterol level, which are very good to maintain your cholesterol level. Obesity or the overweight is another cause of the increased level of the bad fat or the cholesterol levels, and is a major cause of the deaths or the heart diseases. So try to maintain your weight and regularly check your weight and take the other precautions and try to avoid the oily and the fatty foods and try to eat properly all the three meals. Don't do fasting. That is the bad habit which can increase your weight, which can lead to your overweight. And number two, which is it has been seen that the genetic causes or the hereditary is a major cause of the high cholesterol level. Despite of the fact that you are eating good food, you are maintaining your healthy lifestyle, but still you are having the high cholesterol level. It may be due to the your family history. Your parents may have also suffered from some kind of these type of diseases or the heart diseases, which is a major cause of the increased level of LDL and the decreased level of HDL in your body. So you can also maintain that with your maintaining by eating healthy food, by maintaining the healthy lifestyle, and taking other precautions. So you can also reverse this back. So the most important thing with which we can maintain our cholesterol levels, we can maintain the bad fat in our body is always try to sleep, take a sound sleep for 6 to 7 hours every day. What we were taught in our childhood, early to bed, early to rise, makes the man healthy, wealthy, and wise. That is absolutely true. So always try to sleep at the proper hours at night and get up early in the morning. That is very good for to maintain a healthy heart. That is very good to maintain the cholesterol level. Number two is try to reduce the stress level. Number three is always go out for exercise. Always try to take the staircase instead of the elevators. Try to go to the nearby grocery shop by walking, not by your car or your other vehicle. Try to do the cycling more frequently rather than using your cars or using the public vehicles. These are the very important things. These are the small, small things with which we can take control of our cholesterol level in the body. Natural food items with which you can decrease your bad fat or increase your good fat as the nuts, the whole grain food items, the barley, oats, millets, or the citrus fruits, the berries, strawberries, blueberries. These are very good for your to maintain the cholesterol level or to decrease the bad fat. And drinking a lot of water may also help in decreasing the cholesterol levels. And it has been also found that bananas are very good to decrease the cholesterol level. And the walking has been considered to lower the bad fat and increase the good fat in your body. So try to do walking more frequently. Try to walk more frequently. That is the best exercise. That is the best way to lead a healthy life, to give a to have a healthy heart. So friends, start walking from today and try to avoid the cars or the other vehicles. The natural way or the home way, the homely way with which you can control or make your bad fat cut at the lower level is the try to drink the golden milk or the yellow milk every day. uh, Take a glass of milk and a glass of water and put some turmeric powder along with some ginger and cinnamon powder or the direct cinnamon into it and keep it to boil for some time. And if when these 2 cups get reduced to half cup, it may take half an hour or something like that. And then try to take that milk every day. This yellow milk or the golden milk is a very good thing to reduce your cholesterol level, to reduce your bad fat in your body. So don't worry about your outer looks. Outer looks can be maintained with the beautiful shirt, with the beautiful trousers, with the beautiful hairstyle, with the makeup. Always try to consider your inner beauty, your inner fat, which we can do by eating a healthy way, by eating the natural food, by avoiding the packed food items, by taking the healthy fresh food, and by avoiding the stress. So always consider your inner beauty. That is your heart, your inner organs, the heart, the lungs, the kidney, which can be maintained, which can be kept healthy if you live a healthy life. If you eat healthy food, if you eat balanced food, then only you can maintain your inner beauty along with your outer beauty. If you want to stay for a longer life, if you want to stay for a healthy life, then these small small steps you have to start considering from today onwards. So now let's talk about the homeopathic treatment with which we can reduce the cholesterol level. There are a number of homeopathic medicines with which we can reduce our cholesterol level. As you know, homeopathic is the safest system of medicine without any side effects, and it has a better cure. It cures the disease from its root cause. So, number of homeopathic medicines are like Aurum metallicum, Aurum mur, Brata mur, Calcarea carb, Crataegus, Strophanthus, Nux vomica, Belladonna. And there are a number of various other medicines also, which can be given to reduce the cholesterol level, depending upon the individualization of the patient and depending upon the symptoms and the diseases from which the patient is suffering from. So if you're suffering from the high levels of the bad fat, or you are having any kind of heart problems, always go and consult a homeopathic physician and always take advice from him. If you have got any questions regarding this or regarding any other problem, you can discuss with us also. You can fix an online appointment, or you can fix an appointment for the in-person meeting. We would be very happy to help you. And our numbers are given below. You can consult at these numbers. And so, friends, always take your body at the highest level. Always first think about your body and then take other things into consideration, because your body is the only jewel. It is the only precious jewel which can take you, which can take you to lead a happy and healthy life. So never neglect your body, never neglect all the symptoms which are shown by your body, all the signals which your body shows to you that something dangerous is happening. Always go and immediately consult your physician. Thank you, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel to watch more videos like this. We would be very happy to serve you and to give you knowledge about more diseases like this. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye.